Short circuits can damage sensitive components within seconds, often before you even realize something is wrong. In this video, using detailed 3D animation, we'll build a short circuit protection indicator circuit step by step and break down exactly how it works. Let's get started. This circuit uses just two transistors, Q2, a BC547B, and Q1, a D45H11, along with a few resistors and two LEDs, red and green. During normal operation, current flows through R2 into the base of Q2, turning it on. When Q2 conducts, current also flows through R3 into the base of Q1, turning Q1 on as well. The green LED, D2, lights up through R5, telling you everything is working fine. Now, the moment a short circuit occurs on the output line, the voltage at that node drops suddenly. This pushes Q2 into the off state, which in turn cuts off Q1 too. The green LED turns off. At the same time, this change allows current to flow through R4, lighting up the red LED, D1, giving you an instant visual warning. So green means safe operation, and red means a short circuit has been detected, all done using simple transistor switching with no microcontroller required. Keep in mind, this circuit is meant for low-voltage DC applications, around 5 to 12 volts, not for mains power or high current lines. That's how this simple two-transistor circuit gives you instant short circuit protection indication. If you found this useful, like, share, and subscribe for more circuits like this.